baobab tree is a dominant force on the African landscape and the world's largest succulent plant. The baobabs can live for 1,000 years and grow so tall to heights equivalent to an 8-story building. Native to Africa, and grows in dry areas all over the continent, including Madagascar, West Africa, and South Africa. The baobab trunk looks almost swollen and has some of the widest tree trunks in the world. The trunk can hold up to 60,000 gallons of rainwater. The baobab tree is a very tough tree and resists drought, fire, and termites. They simply regrow their bark if it is stripped. These majestic trees are the tree of life to African communities, young and old. The baobab flower blooms at the end of dry season. Some look like powder puffs with waxy, crinkled petals surrounding stamens. Baobab flowers bloom at night, and the flowers in Madagascar are more colorful with magenta and yellow hues. Baobab flowers are pollinated at night by mouse lemurs, bats, and moths. Mouse lemurs feed on the nectar, a sugary liquid, and transfer the pollen on their fur, pollinating the baobabs as they travel tree to tree. The tree produces fruit that ripens into a hard shell. Inside the pods are brown seeds surrounded by pale-colored baobab fruit pulp, a naturally dehydrated powder. Elephants, monkeys, and other animals just love the fruit and tree. Baobab fruit is vital for life, providing sustenance, nutrition, and economy for local African communities and families. Now, how does baobab benefit you? Baobab fruit is packed with antioxidants, fiber, vitamin C, and electrolytes. In fact, baobab contains 2.5 times more antioxidants than pomegranates and more than acai on a gram-to-gram basis. We at powbab use organic, non-GMO baobab in our range of superfood products that are good for you, good for your body, and for your family. Love these trees? So do we. Check us out at powbab.com.